This is Sherman Stewart, General Manager, PC Paramedics, and right in front of me I have a ASRock motherboard and the parts to go in there, right? Processor, RAM, hard drive, SATA cables. Alright, I'll try my best to show you how this works and how it. Alright, so we're going to install the parts right about now. Remember, this is Sherman Stewart, General Manager of PC Paramedics. The first thing we're going to add is the RAM. Alright, I don't know if you can see that, but I guess not. That is 4 gigs of DDR3 RAM. Alright, so put that in the RAM slot. Now excuse the angles because I have to hold videotape and put it in, so you make sure you hear the clicks. Alright, so RAM installed into the board. The other thing is processor, AMD Sempron. Alright, this is a word processing machine, so you don't need all that firepower. Alright, and well, the company that I'm building it for is working on a budget as well. Alright, so if you watch that notch there, that is where you line it up with that side. So you put that in, goes on the slab, and then the processor is installed now. Right? The next thing I'm going to put in is the processor fan and heatsink. Alright, so put that down on like that. But what I'll do is I'll pause the video and then come back again. Alright, so I got it in. Although I really don't like where to put this power for the fan. I don't like it crossing over the RAM. That's okay. Alright, so basically this board has everything installed on it. Alright, now we're gonna have to place it in the case, hook up the powers, cables, and also front panel cables as well. Alright, so Sherman Stewart here again. This is the motherboard installed. Alright, install the CD-ROM and the hard drive, everything else to make sure it works. Alright. Alright, Sherman Stewart here again. This is the finished product. Okay. All good. Right. Windows 7. I didn't want to go with Windows 8 just as yet because due to it may have some software compatibility issues. Right, so this is Sherman Stewart. I'm just showing you how to do a tower. Right, remember to like the page, subscribe to us on YouTube.